Welcome back. Now in the Caribbean this evening, continued stable conditions and fair weather are the picture for this evening. We do have some isolated thunderstorms across Cuba, but for the open waters of the basin, we still have those strong winds guiding moisture all across the region and into the Gulf of Mexico. We still also have those upper level clouds, but we don't have significant shower or thunderstorm activity. In the forecast for tonight, we expect it to be generally fair across most of the area. The temperatures, 24 degrees Celsius, that's what we're expecting in Kingston, and we expect temperatures to drop to 23 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Expect northerlies on the south coast tonight at 5 knots and southeasterlies on the north coast. Now for tomorrow morning, expect partly cloudy skies mainly across central and eastern parishes. In the afternoon, we still have most of the west across inland areas having some amount of shower activity, and we also have shower activity across sections of northern parishes. Temperatures get to 32 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay and to 30 degrees Celsius in Kingston. Now the breakdown has it partly cloudy for most of the southeast tomorrow. We do have some shower activity across the north again for Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, as well as Port Maria and Port Antonio. Shower activity is also forecast for Grange Hill and Duncans in Trelawney. Now next week, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, isolated showers are expected in the afternoons across central and eastern parishes on Monday and Tuesday and across western parishes on Wednesday. For the marine forecast, east-northeasterlies are averaging 10 knots on the north coast tomorrow with wave heights reaching a meter. On the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting easterly winds at 10 knots with the wave heights also reaching 1 meter. While for offshore areas, we're keeping that 15 to 20 knot wind regime. Wave heights are between 1.5 and 2 meters. And for the outlook on Monday, expect the winds from the east at 15 to 20 knots, and then from the east-northeast on Tuesday, then back to from the east on Wednesday. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.